FreeFileSync is a piece of software that synchronizes computer files between two folders. It compares your folders and updates old files automatically. Backing up your computer has never been easier. This is the main UI of FreeFileSync. Here you can see two lists of files to be compared. The left side is the original list, and the right side will be synced with the left. You can click on the green plus to add folders to either side of the comparison. Each folder on the left needs to target a different folder on the right. When you're ready, click on the Synchronize button to start the process. It may take a moment to scan both sides. When it's finished, you can see all the files that have been compared, and which ones will be copied, deleted, or replaced. FreeFileSync has a few sync types that let you choose how the files will be changed. The first of these sync types is Mirror. When FreeFileSync is set to Mirror, it will compare the files from both folders and make the right folder exactly match the left. That means deleting files on the right that aren't present on the left. Update looks for all the files on the left that are new or updated and adds them to the right. That means files on the right will get replaced by newer versions, and files that are only found on the left will get added to the right. After syncing, the right may have more files than the left. Two-way updates and adds files just like update, but it does so in both directions. This is ideal if you want to have one set of files on two different computers and keep those files up to date while they're edited by several different people. FreeFileSync lets you save FileSync configurations as files to your computer. This way, once you've chosen the folders you want to sync and which sync type to use, you can just run the same comparison each time you need to sync files. I have several config files on my computer for synchronizing different folders, including files from my laptop and phone. FreeFileSync works with Windows Task Scheduler to let you back up files automatically on a regular basis. On Windows, use the search and find Task Scheduler. Then click on Create Basic Task. Choose an obvious name like Sync. Now you'll choose how often you want the task to run. I want my files to be backed up every day at 8 p.m. For the task action, we want to start a program. Find the FreeFileSync app in your computer's program files and set it to be opened by the task. Now, navigate to the sync profile you want to run. Copy the file's path and paste it into the arguments box in Task Scheduler. Click Finish to complete the task. Now, your computer will automatically try to sync your files as often as you'd like. FreeFileSync is unique even among file synchronizing apps. Here are 3 reasons why it's an outstanding piece of software. Number 1, it's heavily customizable. You can set up filters that ignore certain folders, files, or file extensions. You can save lots of configs that back up files for every purpose, even to Google Drive. You can even make your own sync types if your needs aren't met by Mirror, Update, or Two-Way. Number 2, FreeFileSync doesn't hide anything from the user. You can review every file that's being changed and manually change what's going to happen to that file before anything gets moved. FreeFileSync explains everything it does before it takes action. You get all the control. Finally, FreeFileSync is open source. Anyone can use it, and anyone can make their own version of it. It's made by honest software developers who want to make a great tool instead of a big company who wants to make a lot of money. I hope that after watching this video, you'll seriously consider giving FreeFileSync a try. Maybe you're already thinking of how you can use it to organize your digital files. For more tips on FreeFileSync, check out the video tutorials on their website. Thank you for watching.